So today I'll show you all how to make this simple vegetable recipe called Cabbage Foogath. So to make this you need around 500 grams of cabbage, which is shredded, onions, garlic, chilies, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, turmeric powder, salt, sugar and oil. Heat oil in a pan. Add your mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, garlic, green chilies and give a quick stir. Then add your onions and fry till they are nice lightly brown in color. Then add in your shredded cabbage and cover the lid and cook for around 10 minutes. I have not used water while cooking because the cabbage will leave out its moisture while cooking. So if you want, you all can use little water. Once the cabbage is half cooked, add your salt, sugar, turmeric powder and grated coconut and mix thoroughly. Then cover the lid and cook for more 5 minutes.